currently 4:20 a.m. and I'm getting up nice and early to go watch the sunrise down at the pier. I'm in my local area, Sandgate, and I'm going to head down to the pier at Shorncliffe and maybe hire one of those scooters that you can now hire here. I think they're Neuron Scooters. And then maybe go for a coffee and take a tour around the local area. So I hope you enjoy it. It never usually gets busy this early, except for maybe a few fishermen at the pier. I'm quite surprised not as many people are here this early, considering the clear weather, and it's about 21 degrees Celsius. It's fantastic. So here we have the Neuron Scooters. Nice. So we're going to head back down towards Sandgate, see how far these things will take us. And I'll go find some coffee somewhere. Okay, so it's still quite fast for a speed restricted area. I think these scooters at the moment are in its experimental phase, a bit of a trial to see how it goes here. I haven't heard too many bad reports. I think my only concern with these is probably people leaving them around the suburban areas, around people's homes, because that would become very annoying trying to get rid of them. But yeah, so far so good. Seems like people are enjoying them and doing the right thing, and you're always going to have a small group that will complain about anything like this. But we'll head down here. Might have to duck in some places. Nice. Slow down for the people. Oh yeah, this is cool. One of the reasons why I want to come down this early is that I can go through town, through the centre part of town, and not be too much of a nuisance, because there's not that many people that will be walking through there at the moment. Once I find a safe place to cross, I'll cross. Should be okay just down here. Sixth Avenue, yep, good. Oh wow, looks like the ibises have decided to make short work of that rubbish. Let's go. All right. Let's kick it up a notch. Cool. All right, so let's carefully negotiate where we are. Let's see how this thing can handle 90 odd kilograms. Oh geez, it's not going very well.
We are on low speed zone.
Okay. So this is where to take care. Right.
We are in a low speed zone. Please slow down.
That's cool. I think perhaps regardless of what speed you're doing, that the scooters have to let you know that you're in a low speed zone, which is good for safety. Alright, let's go straight across. Alright.
We are on high speed zone. Ride safely.
So you kind of have to put it into high speed to be able to get up some of the hills. It's ridiculous. This is pretty fun. So basically what I've done is a loop through town and then end back up at the pier. Once again, there's something coming up, so just slow down. That's pretty cool. So just keep to the edge, keep slow. There we go. Let's speed back up. That's a sketchy ride through here. shit. Oh, I had to lean right down then. Yeah, so it automatically cuts your speed and limits it to 15 k's an hour when it's in a low speed zone, so pretty good.
What's the intention?
And apparently they automatically ring. Thank you. Well, that was interesting. So it automatically senses that something or someone is in front and rings the bell. Very nice. See, there's one on the side of the street here. Not a good place to leave it. So we are almost there. I wonder how they do on the dirt. That does not feel great. Oh, it's like the worst massage ever. Okay. Alright, so we've almost made it. Probably best to go down to the bike path. Woo. Oh, they do not handle the bumps well at all. Yeah, these are definitely, I would say, limit yourself to the path along the beach or the bike lane on the side of the road. Yeah, these are pretty harsh. So, all right. Now this is the path down to the pier. I think a big game in trying to attempt this path on this scooter. There's usually a lot of people that walk through here, and it's quite steep. Alright, so we've made it back. It's been pretty fun. I wonder when the coffee person's going to get here. They usually park right here. Usually here by 5:30. So it shouldn't be too much further past that now. Alright. So parking these things. Basically all you have to do is that. Make sure they're parked on the side. Take the helmet off. Rear helmet clip to return. Okay, so this thing here apparently. And then put that in. Go back to your app on your phone and end the trip.
Thanks. Our trip has ended. See you soon.
So apparently the coffee van is not at the pier today, so that means I'm going to have to go home and have a drink instead. So thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you all next time.